Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an animated statistic counter in Wix Studio. This feature is perfect for making your site look dynamic and professional. Think of those eye-catching numbers that count up to show off your milestones, visitor stats, or anything else you want to highlight. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set one up, and you'll have a few handy tips for customizing it to fit your project. Okay, let's get started. First things first. I already have a code snippet ready for you to use. You'll find this code in the description below, which means you don't have to worry about writing it yourself. Just copy it, and you're good to go. Don't feel nervous about using code. Even if you're new to this, Wix makes it super approachable, and I'll walk you through step by step. Now, with your code copied, you'll want to add it to your Wix Studio site. Head over to the editor and look for the Add Element button. That's usually along the left sidebar. Click that, and then scroll down until you find the option for Embed Code. It might show up as custom embeds or something similar, depending on updates, but you're looking for the box where you can paste in snippets of code. Go ahead and paste the code you got from the video description. When you look at the pasted code, you'll notice that right at the top there's a line that sets the font style. This is where you can easily change how your statistic counter looks. Just modify the font family or size to match your site's branding, whether you want something bold and modern, or perhaps a more elegant touch. Don't skip this part. Having your number counters seamlessly fit your site's style can really make a difference in how polished everything feels. Now, let's talk about the actual number the counter is showing. Within the code, you'll see a section that sets the end amount, the number the counter animates up to. By default, I've got it set from 0 to 5,000, just as an example. You can totally change that to any value you want. Maybe you want it to count clients served, products sold, fundraising progress, or anything else. To update the number, just type in your desired final value and then hit Update in the Wix editor. If you notice your counter looks a bit off, maybe the spacing or animation seems abrupt, don't worry. Just tweak the value and preview the animation until it feels right. Here's a neat detail. You can also adjust how quickly the counter moves by changing the milliseconds setting in the code. This controls the speed of the count. Set a smaller number for a fast effect, or a larger one for a slower, more dramatic reveal. Take a moment to experiment with this. A good speed keeps visitors engaged without being distracting. For example, if you're showing off a big milestone, a slower count builds anticipation, much like a scoreboard ticking up after a big win. And that's pretty much it. The basics of installing and customizing an animated statistic counter in Wix Studio. If you'd like to experiment further, feel free to play around with the other parts of the code. You can test different animation effects, colors, or even add additional design tweaks. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or try new things. The embed code setup is totally reversible if you need to start over. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you've used animated counters on your own sites. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Wix tips, tutorials, and creative ideas. See you in the next video.